In today's fast-paced business environment, the ability to adapt and improve continuously is a necessity for survival. Enter Kaizen, a Japanese philosophy that translates to continuous improvement. It emphasizes making small, incremental changes over time, involving everyone in the organization, from the CEO to frontline workers. Kaizen is not about radical overhauls or quick fixes. It's about fostering a culture where everyone is engaged in identifying areas for improvement and implementing solutions. By embracing Kaizen, businesses can create a dynamic and adaptable workplace primed for long-term growth and success. This essay will delve into the 5 core principles of Kaizen, providing practical examples of how they can be implemented across various industries. By the end of this essay, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to embark on your own Kaizen journey and unlock the full potential of your organization. At the heart of the Kaizen philosophy lies a deep understanding and respect for the customer. It's about exceeding customer expectations consistently. Cultivate a culture of actively listening to customers and anticipating their wants. Gather feedback through surveys, focus groups, and direct interactions. Toyota ingrains customer focus into its DNA. Engineers and executives observe customers to gain insights, understand the customer to identify areas for improvement. One of the core tenets of Kaizen is the relentless pursuit of eliminating waste. This principle, often referred to as flow, emphasizes the importance of streamlining processes to identify and eliminate any steps that don't add value to the final product or service. This waste can manifest in various forms, such as unnecessary movement of materials, excessive inventory, or redundant tasks. A prime example of flow in action can be seen in the healthcare industry. Hospitals often struggle with long wait times for patients, leading to frustration and inefficiencies. By applying Kaizen principles, hospitals can analyze their patient flow processes, identify bottlenecks, and implement changes to optimize the system. This could involve redesigning waiting areas, streamlining admission procedures, or improving communication between departments. Textile factory manager. In our factory, we noticed that a lot of time was wasted in moving materials from one station to another. By rearranging the layout and streamlining the process, we were able to cut down on unnecessary movement, which significantly boosted our productivity. Remember, in the world of Kaizen, even small improvements in flow can have a ripple effect, leading to significant gains over time. Gemba is a Japanese term that translates to the real place. In Kaizen, it refers to the actual workplace where value is created. Managers spend time on the front lines, observing processes and engaging with employees. Immersing in Gemba helps leaders understand challenges and opportunities. Imagine a plant struggling with defects. A manager practicing Go to Gemba observes the production process firsthand. This provides insights not captured in reports. Workers feel valued when managers spend time with them. It helps identify issues and improve workflow. Kaizen recognizes that employees are a company's most valuable asset. The principle of empower people emphasizes the importance of creating a work environment where employees feel valued, respected, and empowered to contribute their ideas and suggestions for improvement. This involves providing them with the necessary training, resources, and authority to identify and implement solutions. Family-owned restaurant owner. A great example of employee empowerment can be found in the hospitality industry. The Ritz-Carlton Hotel Company, known for its exceptional customer service, empowers its employees to spend up to $2,000 per guest per incident to resolve issues and ensure customer satisfaction. By empowering employees, businesses create a culture of ownership and accountability. When people feel like their voices are heard and their contributions are valued, they are more likely to be engaged and motivated to contribute to the company's success. Transparency is a cornerstone of the Kaizen philosophy. This principle emphasizes the importance of open communication and information sharing at all levels of the organization. By creating a transparent work environment, businesses can build trust, foster collaboration, and ensure that everyone is aligned towards common goals. Transparency involves sharing performance data, progress updates, and even challenges openly and honestly. Software company manager. Consider a software development company that's implementing a new project management methodology. By being transparent about the goals, challenges, and progress of the implementation, the company can ensure that everyone is on the same page. This openness allows for faster problem solving, as employees are more likely to come forward with concerns or suggestions when they feel informed and included. In a Kaizen culture, mistakes are not seen as failures but as opportunities for growth and improvement. By openly discussing and analyzing errors, businesses can identify systemic issues and implement preventative measures to avoid repeating them in the future. The Kaizen philosophy, with its 5 core principles, offers a powerful framework for businesses seeking to thrive in today's competitive landscape. By embracing customer focus, striving for flow, going to Gemba, empowering people, and fostering transparency, organizations can create a culture of continuous improvement that permeates every aspect of their operations. It's important to remember that Kaizen is not a one-time project or a quick fix. It's an ongoing journey that requires commitment, discipline, and a willingness to embrace change. The benefits, however, are well worth the effort. By implementing Kaizen principles, businesses can unlock hidden efficiencies, improve quality, reduce costs, and ultimately achieve sustainable growth and success. Start by introducing these principles to your team, identifying areas for improvement, and implementing small, incremental changes. Embrace the Kaizen philosophy and embark on your own path towards continuous improvement and lasting success. While Kaizen provides a powerful framework for continuous improvement, it's not the only tool in the productivity toolbox. Businesses can explore and adopt various other methodologies and techniques to complement their Kaizen efforts and further enhance their performance. Here are a few notable examples. A data-driven approach that focuses on reducing defects and variability in processes. A methodology that aims to eliminate waste and optimize processes for maximum efficiency. An iterative approach to project management commonly used in software development that emphasizes flexibility and responsiveness to change. A visual system for managing work and improving workflow, often used in conjunction with lean and agile methodologies. By exploring and integrating these tools alongside Kaizen principles, businesses can create a comprehensive and robust approach to productivity, efficiency, and continuous improvement.